Hello students, today we will see a new topic, that is equality of matrices. In this topic, equality of matrices, we will see how two matrices are equal. What are the necessary criteria? For any two matrices, we can say that they are equal if and only if they satisfy these two criteria. The first one is order of matrices are equal. That means the number of row and number of column in both the matrices are equal. That means the order of matrices are equal. And the second criteria is all corresponding elements are equal. All the corresponding elements of both the matrices should be equal. If any two matrices satisfy these two criteria, then we can say that both the matrices are equal. Suppose we have two matrices. The first matrix we have is A, and its elements are A11, A12, A13. Other elements are A21, A22, A23. Then A31, A32, A33. These are the elements of matrix A. And we have other matrix, second matrix, that is B. And that matrix B is equal to B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23. Then B31, B32, B33. And like this we have two matrices A and B, in which its elements are given. Now to say these two matrices A and B are equal, we have to check what is the order of both matrices. In first matrix, the number of row is 1, 2, 3. There is 3 rows. Number of column is 1, 2, 3. So we can say that order of matrix is 3 into 3. In second matrix, number of row is 3. So we will write 3. Number of column is again 3. So we can say that 3 cross 3. We can easily check here. The order of first matrix is 3 cross 3. Order of second matrix is also 3 cross 3. Hence, the two matrices are comparable. We can compare their elements because their order is equal. After checking the order, now we will check the second criteria. That means their corresponding elements. Corresponding elements, that means this A11 should be equal to B11. So, second criteria is A11 should be equal to B11. A12 is equal to B12. A13 is equal to B13. And A21 equal to B21. A22 equal to B22. A23 equal to B23. A31 is equal to B31. A32 is equal to B32 and A33 is equal to B33. If each and every corresponding elements of the two matrices are equal, then only we can say that both the matrices are equal. This is called equality of now we will see how to solve questions from this topic. So here we have a very simple question in which we have two matrices here. The first matrix is this, second matrix we have is this. And the question is asking about find the value of x, y and z. They are asking about the value of x, y and z. So we will see here x, y, z are written here. In the question it is given both the matrices are equal. That means if two matrices are equal, that means each and every corresponding elements of both matrices are equal. So what are the corresponding elements we have to find here? So what are the corresponding elements here? This element is equal to this element. So we will write x minus y is equal to 8. Then 4 is equal to w. So we will write 4 is equal to w. Z plus 6 is equal to 0. So we will write z plus 6 is equal to 0. From here we can say, we can transpose 6 this side, we will get z is equal to 0 minus 6 is equal to minus 6. We got the value of z. Then at the last we have x plus y is equal to 6. So we can write here x plus y is equal to 6. We got the value of z. Now we have to find the value of x and y. To find the value of x and y, we will solve this equation and this equation. In previous classes, you already learned about how to solve equations of two variables. So, simply we will use here elimination method. How to use that? To solve this, x minus y is equal to 8, x plus y is equal to 6. Let's add both the equations. So we will add x plus x is equal to 2x minus y plus y, they will get cancelled, and 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. We got the value of x, that is 7. Now we will put this value of x in any one of the two equations. When we will put this value of x in this place, so we will get 7 plus y is equal to 6. Hence, y is equal to 6 minus 7 is equal to minus 1. Hence, we got all the values which are required. That is, value of x we got here, value of y we got here, and value of z we got here. Hence, by using the concept of equality of matrices, we solve this problem.